Imagine a place that's quickly gaining popularity for its beauty and personal care products. Yes, we're talking about Africa. It is witnessing a noticeable growth in the beauty industry. Isn't just about looking good anymore, it's about feeling powerful, independent, and expressive. More and more African women are gaining education, securing jobs, and earning their own money. This is changing their habits. They're not just purchasing items, they're also influencing the production line. They're starting their own businesses and determining what's in. And it's not just women. Men are also showing interest in beauty products, contributing to the industry's growth. More men are buying products for their skin and hair care, challenging the traditional ideas about beauty. The African beauty industry isn't just about foreign brands and trends. It's about local businesses producing products that reflect African culture. It's about brands that understand what African people want and need. The expansion of the industry in Africa also promotes inclusivity, showcases different kinds of beauty, and celebrates diversity. Diversity. It's about shifting usual beauty standards and creating a that includes everyone. This industry isn't just changing our perception of beauty, it's also bolstering the economy. It's providing jobs, helping women to become independent, and supporting local businesses. It's a powerful catalyst for positive change, improving lives, communities, and societies. As we can see, Africa is exerting a significant impact on the beauty, and this is just the beginning. The growth of the beauty industry. Africa testifies to the strength, creativity, and business acumen of its people. It's a narrative of power, independence, and self-expression, and a story that's still being woven, with each beauty product and business owner adding their own special touch to this exciting journey. Now let's dive into the heart of the beauty scene in Africa and explore the top 5 countries leading the way. First off, we have South Africa, a powerhouse when it comes to the beauty and personal care industry. Known for its diverse culture and robust economy, South Africa is a melting pot of beauty trends, from innovative skincare products to vibrant haircare lines. The country's strong market share is a testament to its thriving beauty culture and its consumers' discerning taste. Next up is Nigeria. With its booming population and increasing middle class, Nigeria is proving to be a significant player in the beauty scene. The country's market share is growing, thanks in part to the rising demand for beauty and personal care products, and the increasing influence of local beauty influencers and entrepreneurs. Third on our list is Kenya. Kenya's beauty and personal care industry is on the rise, fueled by a growing youthful population and a fast-growing middle class. The country's market share is also bolstered by the rise of local beauty brands that are making waves not only in Kenya, but across the continent. Moving on, we have Morocco. Known for its traditional beauty secrets like argan oil and Rasoul clay, Morocco's beauty and personal care industry is a blend of the old and the new. The country's strong market share is evidence of its successful fusion of traditional beauty practices with modern beauty trends. Lastly, we have Egypt. Egypt's beauty and personal care industry is rooted in its ancient beauty rituals, but it's also embracing modern trends. The country's market share is growing, reflecting the increasing demand for both local and international beauty brands. These countries are not only setting the pace, but also shaping the future of the beauty and personal care industry in Africa. What if we told you that beauty doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag? Yes, you heard it right. You can achieve that radiant glow, robust nails, and glossy hair you've always desired, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive into 20 natural, easily accessible, and affordable products that can be found at your local grocery store for your very own DIY beauty treatments. First up, we have honey. This sweet nectar is not just for your tea, it's a natural humectant that helps your skin retain moisture. Apply a thin layer on your face, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse off for a hydrated, glowing complexion. Next is avocado, a superfood for your skin and hair. Its healthy fats and vitamins can nourish and moisturize. Mash it up, apply it to your face or hair, let it sit, and rinse. Third, we have apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple can balance your skin's pH level and is excellent for hair rinses to remove product buildup. Fourth, coconut oil. It's a versatile product that can be used as a skin moisturizer, hair mask, or even a makeup remover. We also have oatmeal, an excellent exfoliant that can soothe and heal dry or itchy skin. Just mix with water, apply, and rinse. Next, we have turmeric. This vibrant spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can brighten your skin. Combine with honey for a soothing face mask. Seventh, we have the humble banana. Rich in potassium, it can hydrate and moisturize dehydrated skin. Next up, we have cucumber. Its cooling properties can soothe irritated skin and reduce puffiness. Ninth, there's aloe vera. This plant can soothe burns, hydrate skin, and even boost hair growth. Finally, we have the egg. The yolk moisturizes while the white tightens pores. Apply the whisked egg to your face, let it dry, and rinse. We've covered just half the list, and already your kitchen is starting to look like a beauty spa, isn't it? Green tea, almonds, lemons, olive oil, sugar, yogurt, milk, baking soda, tea tree oil, and salt are the remaining 10 ingredients that can do wonders for your beauty regimen. With these simple and affordable hacks, you can achieve that glowing skin, strong nails, and beautiful hair you've always wanted. Who knew that the secret to beauty was hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen? So go ahead, give these a try and embrace the beautiful you. We value your thoughts and opinions, and we're eager to hear what you have to say. You see, our goal is to provide you with not just any content, but content that is meaningful, insightful, and practical. Our community thrives on the rich exchange of ideas and experiences. So, let's get that conversation going. What questions do you have? What are your favorite DIY beauty hacks? Or perhaps there's a particular beauty trend you'd like us to explore in a future video. Don't be shy. Each question, each suggestion, each shared experience helps us shape our content to better serve you. Remember, we're all in this beauty journey together. And while you're sharing your thoughts, why not also tell us what you found most useful or interesting in today's video? We're curious to know. Remember, your input helps us create content that's valuable and relevant to you. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts and suggestions.